Dezin Electric Kettle, Glass Electric Tea Kettle, Auto-shutoff 304 Stainless Steel Hot Water Kettle Warmer Cordless 1.8L with Fast Boil Dry Protection Tech for coffee, tea. Borosilicate glass body. The main body of the kettle was made of 100% borosilicate glass, which can provide the cracking resistance and high temperature resistance when heating. Your beverage will be kept free from contamination as the low solubility of borosilicate glass and its anti-stick, non-porous and transparent feature makes the kettle be cleaned easier. 304 stainless steel to make sure every cup of water you drink remains pure. Dezin Kettle chooses 304 stainless steel for the inner lid and bottom to make sure all parts in contact with the water are food-grade material and brings you the healthier drinking. The elegant stainless steel finish also decorates the sleek glass body like a combination of classical and modern design concepts, which will blend in most kitchen decor you can imagine. Charming addition, Dezin Glass Kettle utilizes a customized blue indicator technology to bring you a visible boiling process. This charming addition will brighten your kitchen when the kettle works and gives a sense of serenity that matches the property of water. Effective operation. Equipped with the boil dry protection and auto shut-off safety function, the kettle will turn off automatically once the water completely boiled so that it effectively saves more energy and time than your microwave or stove. The 1.8L big capacity can handle around 7 cups and enough for you to prefer a full day of coffee, tea, hot chocolate at a time. Humanized design features an integrated power cord storage on the detachable base. This kettle can be cleaned easily at your convenience and keeps your kitchen tidy. The 360-degree swivel base offers a comfortable way for both right and left-handed people to take the kettle away from its base. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.